Hello world, hello world. It's time for core words. 'Cause it's core word time. It's core word time. It's core word time. Boys and girls, it's core word time. Yeah. Well, guess what it is today? I don't even know. Today, the core word is like. And every time we see something that we like, we gotta make sure we let people know. I'm gonna nod my head and I'm going to sing a song. What song? It'll go like this. That's what I like. Cha, 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 cha. That's what I like. Cha, 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 cha. All right, thanks for doing a little singing. All right, I have a book right here. What do you think about Clifford's first day of school? Yeah, that's what I like. Cha, 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 cha. That's what I like. Cha, 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 cha. All right, thanks for having that opinion. I have something else over here. What do you think about Star Wars, The Empire Strikes Out? Oh yeah, that's what I like. Cha, 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 cha. That's what I like. Cha, 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 cha. Okay, all right. How about this one? What do you think about this one today? Meh. Oh, you don't like that one. I noticed you shaking your head to the side. Nope, not my favorite today. Okay, and that's all right. Thanks for using your words. How about this one? It is Grover. I want to be a firefighter. Yeah. Oh, not that one either. Interesting. All right, maybe I have one more, and we'll see if you like it. All right, we'll try. What do you think about Clifford's first autumn? Yeah, that's what I like. Cha 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 cha. That's what I like. Cha 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 cha. You know what? I think you did a good job teaching the core word of the day, which was like. That's right. So if you see that symbol or use those words when you like something, it means that is one of your choices or one of your favorites, or it's something that you really enjoy. That's what I like! All right, thanks, Mr. Pepe Le Pew, and thank you for watching the core word of the day, like.